Hey people, this is Nikita. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the challenges of solid waste management in India. Waste management is an essential pillar on which the human society stands. India, with its 138 crore population, produces about 1.5 lakh metric tons of solid waste every day. Now, we are facing a major landfill crisis wherein we do not have enough land to dump all the waste that we generate. Another major crisis in our waste disposal system is how wet, dry and toxic waste are collected together and dumped together in the same landfills. Only about 20% of the waste that we generate are adequately processed and recycled, while the rest are dumped into the landfills. Improper waste disposal can cause disease and environmental contamination by releasing toxins and gases into the air and water. Discarding of solid waste into the landfills is one of the oldest forms of waste disposal. But now, with the increasing volume of waste, this system alone is not viable. Organic waste on decomposition produces a gas called methane, which is not only toxic but also flammable. Due to this and high surface temperature, landfills are always prone to fire. Methane is produced when decomposition occurs in anaerobic conditions. These conditions are caused because we keep piling the fresh garbage on the top of the old garbage layer, and thus preventing oxygen to reach the old garbage, which is at the bottom, continuously producing methane. The simplest way to stop this issue is segregating the waste at home and reducing or minimizing the wet waste reaching to the landfills. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many of the faults of our system in our society are coming into light. Our waste management system is one of them. The informal members of the waste management community, the rag pickers, are unable to leave their house and segregate the recyclable waste. This means now the more waste is reaching to the landfills than before, and no step have been taken to handle the situation. The issue with the public is the lack of awareness. Despite the massive use of development in our society and the introduction of many programs like the Swachh Bharat Mission, still we are unable to handle our waste management efficiently. Since changing the system is a long process, but still we can have a try for it. We can at least improve the awareness of this issue and take small steps to improve it. Simply by starting a composite bin at our homes and avoiding single-use products could prevent a considerable amount of waste from reaching the landfills. Now it's a very high time to think about it, because it is our society, our country. No one else is going to come for this. Only we have to do this. And one more thing. No step is too small which we want to create a change. So, to know more about this topic, you can have a read of the article written by one of the prize winners of the article writing competition conducted by the indianfolk.com. Thank you.